comes the real beans.
Bryans' car's back on the dyno, thankfully. Everything seems to be pretty good, but let's hear from the man himself on what happened and what he did to fix it and what else he also updated on the car. So Brian, what's up?
So I'm pretty sure that the whole electronic system just took a dump. The coil packs were probably over 20 years old, the same thing with the igniter. So we went ahead and did an LQ9 coil pack upgrade. The car seems to be running fine now. You can really hammer on it. Doesn't seem to be making that weird hiccup. We also went ahead and put in a Racepak dash to actually be able to see the tachometer. The car's running really good. I'm excited. Hopefully make 500 wheel somewhere around there today. We'll see what happens.
It's hard to really see right now, but there's his Racepak. Looks pretty damn gnarly. What was the expansion called?
Universal ECU module.
So with that, he's able to run a CAN bus off his ECU, so anything the ECU sees, he can have on that Racepak and makes life a hell of a lot easier. So let's get Ethan set this thing up on the dyno, and we'll start making some pulls. Don't you love extendable shit?
Oh yeah. It's like my BB, I love it.
I'm glad I'm recording right now.
Oh god damn it. We were real high.
That's going in the video. Wow. Oh my god, I think it just... Dude, it just connected without me doing the unplug thing. Windows 11 maybe, so far Windows 11 has been done nothing but ruin things for me, but maybe that was a cool thing right now.
That's a positive note. I will start on a positive note.
I like that, I like that. It's a good sign.
Pretty tame pull. It wasn't quite full throttle. Ethan was just making sure everything was working, firing on all cylinders like it should be. This next one, let's see what it does. A little bit more than what there was before, but it's still massively hotter than it was the last time we were here. You know what, wastegate, we'll take it. We'll take it. It's a start. Let's keep going. So as of right now, we're about 93% on the injector duty cycle, and we just have stock USDM super injectors in there. So they're nothing big, 550cc injectors. Yes, the power is a little bit low, but you also got to remember the 3576 is a very small turbo for any comparison of a JZ, but it gives great response, and that's why we use it. Bumping up right now a little bit more, we were at about 15.5 pounds, so we're gonna bump up just a little bit more, see what we can get, and go from there. Ethan, we need half a horsepower more.
I'll see what I can do.
Just 1/2 horsepower, that's it. That's all I'm asking for.
420, but...
Yes, please.
Half horsepower off of a great number.
The best number, the only number.
It's,
well, you can't forget 69s. That's pretty nice.
It is at 96% injector duty cycle right now, though. So I think I could do half more horsepower, but like we're pretty much at our end right now.
1 degree of time, or half a degree of timing might do
That
it.
should do it.
Half a degree of timing. We'll try it. We'll try it. All right, we're going for the last pull of the day. It is hot. We are tired. So let's get it going. We surpassed it.
Sorry.
You went too high. I'll take it. We'll take it. It's good.
To the right. That was sketchy. There we go.
Still fast enough to where it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you got to be down probably 15, 20 horses right now because of temp.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate all your hard work, man. And I'll get with you, I guess, about the AFR stuff.
Yep. Now you got a car like that, you know, I think it's at that place where you can go really enjoy it now.
Yes. And not be
A few more steps can be made and possibly another 80 or so horsepower can be had, but on some 85 and injectors down
We'll
there.
do it.
But, yep.
Funds.
All right, well, today was a very smooth day compared to last session that we had. We were plagued by lots of ignition problems, whether that was the coils or I think it was finally the igniter that proved out to be the real problem. So got the LS coils on there, and the car was just fantastically behaved today. No issues, no hiccups. Was just able to turn the boost up and do the actual tuning part. And our cap was the injector size. We were maxed out. Well, they're at like 95% duty cycle right now, and we called it right there. I just rode in the car. I already know it's running badass. I hope he gets to enjoy it for a similar amount of years that he was preparing this car. He gets my full approval to go do his worst with it.
Oh yeah, there we go. We got the approval, so we're gonna have him enjoy it. We'll catch you later.